Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, in my today's video I am going to share very beautiful, stylish and classy design ideas of neckline hand embroidery. These are very easy neckline embroidery designs and you can make them onto any type of necklines, like onto your shirts, kurti, sweaters, blouses, gowns and whatever type of shirt or the outerwear you want. All of these designs are very easy. They are absolutely favorable for beginners to take a fresh start by designing very easy yet designer style side neckline design ideas. Beautifully designed different patterns and different combinations of side neckline design ideas have been shown, and different combinations of fabric, light and dark, with a decent and elegant collection of styling techniques like mirror work, beads decoration and much more have been used to entertain and give maximum stylish and new style ideas. So I hope that my today's video is helpful for you and you have get stylish ideas that how you are going to design your own necklines with the art of hand embroidery. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video continuation to the hand embroidery design ideas for dress designing. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hope to see you soon back on my channel with a new content in a new video. Take care of yourselves and stay blessed, be happy and spread happiness.